Puntahan naman natin yung isa pa niyang take. Pinapauwi niya si Terdy Ravena para mag-apply sa PBA draft. He said in the PBA he's gonna be a star. Iko-quote ko lang si Quinito Henson. Obviously, hindi ito yung full statement niya. Sabi niya dito, if you're not playing on the court, what value will you be to yourself? And currently, Terdy Ravena is now playing in the EuroLeague for a Dubai team. Ang sinasabi naman dito ni Dadin Quinito Henson, how can you actually get better kung wala ka naman playing time sa court? Okay. Obviously, I disagree again sa sinabi niya about sa bagay na to. First of all, Terdy Ravena is the first Filipino to actually play in a EuroLeague game. If I were to apply that same logic, tell me if this makes sense, di ba? So if Kai Sotto, for example, makes it to the NBA, but he doesn't get the minutes, does that mean na it's a bad move to play in the NBA? Pag PBA ka na lang, wala ka namang minutes dyan. Mas gagaling ka sa PBA kaysa mag-training ka sa NBA. Kung si Kai Sotto ngayon is actually playing for an NBA team, buong Pilipinas magse-celebrate. Hindi ko alam kung anong reaction ni Quinito Henson sa bagay na yon, pero if we were to apply that same logic, isipin mo na mabuti. Isipin nyo ito mabuti.